Hello everyone, this is Spencer Lilly. I hope you've caught my comment at the back of, at the bottom of my videos. Sorry, the YouTube website said it's the property the authorities of the website that I'm on. They had to say I had to move my original name Trainlab1 to my full name, and I'm Spencer Lilly. I'm glad I'm like oh yeah, Joey Turner from Train Level 476. Anyway, yesterday I did a video on my large scale Bachmann Thomas, and my new video is on Percy, like I promised yesterday. Oh, let's look at Percy now. And that's Percy with the troublesome trucks. And now you'll probably remember that. Remember the Christmas video on 2012? I got the Percy train set with the troublesome trucks in for Christmas, like I must have told you, along with James. I might get a chance to do him tomorrow. Well, now that we've looked over Percy, and I've told you when I got Percy, like you all know, let's give him a run. Give him a run, shall we? Gonna stop him now. So that's the test run, the same one as Thomas yesterday, and this one is on Percy now. So, technically, technically, since I said that I do a review on Percy, because you know when I did those videos on the Hornby Stump Collection Percy, the Hornby Darts. Sorry, I burped inside my mouth. Anyway, and this Flying Scotsman, that was my last video before Bachmann Thomas, and there was Norman and Gary the Steam Engine. Yeah, those 6 videos, and I'm about to do 3 videos of this month on Thomas, Percy, and James. I'm doing James tomorrow. So anyway, now that we've gone on through this, I'll get a chance to see you tomorrow in my technical in my next video on large scale James. And it's soda fuel and milk. It's Tidmouth milk, sorry. Tidmouth milk. These tankers. Well, that's my video. Well, I'll catch you later. Okay, see you. Bye bye.